Welcome to another episode of Legal Insights with Barrister Garn, here at Siam Center Law Group. Today, we will discuss techniques for making effective wills in Thailand. A will is a crucial document that ensures the deceased's property is distributed according to their wishes after their passing. However, in practice, conflicts often arise among heirs during the division of the inheritance. Claims may be made that the deceased was unaware or incapacitated while making the will. Some may even allege deception or coercion during the process. In certain cases, the authenticity of the deceased's signature may be questioned, suggesting forgery. To address these concerns, recording a video as evidence during the will-making process has proven to be an effective approach. Let's explore 4 key techniques for creating an impactful video will. Technique number 1. When recording the video, it is essential to film the entire process from start to finish without any edits. The full clip should be maintained, regardless of its length. This safeguards against claims that certain parts were manipulated or omitted to favor one party over another. Technique number 2. The video should clearly display the contents of the will, including how it is written. It should not solely focus on the moment when the deceased signs the will. This ensures that the will being enforced upon the individual's passing is the same as the one intended during the video recording. Technique number 3. It is crucial to have the deceased read aloud all the text in the will. This prevents any objections that they signed the document without understanding its contents or were deceived into signing. By capturing the reading on video before the signing takes place, you can establish clarity and awareness. Technique number 4. During the will-making process, it is advisable to keep the intended recipients of the inherited property and the spouse of the designated heir outside the shooting area. Although the Civil and Commercial Code of Thailand, Section 1653, prohibits the author or witnesses in the will from being beneficiaries, it is prudent to exclude them from the video recording to avoid any potential pressure or perception of influence. By following these techniques, you can enhance the effectiveness of your will and minimize potential disputes among heirs. Remember, the objective is to provide clarity and ensure that your wishes are upheld after your passing. That concludes today's discussion on techniques for making effective wills in Thailand. If you require further assistance or legal advice, don't hesitate to contact Siam Center Law Group. Stay tuned for more valuable insights in our upcoming episodes.